Hey ghouls, welcome back. It feels like it's been a while, even though it hasn't been that long. But I just got back from vacation and I'm suddenly super craving Halloween, suddenly. So I just did this really quick goth dead doll type makeup look. So if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off just applying like a bunch of black eyeshadow and just getting my eyes just like really dark and creepy looking. I'm taking a bit of dark purple from my Mayron palette and just kind of swooping it down under the black eyeshadow. And I also want to take a bit under my mouth as well. Now I'm going to take a black eyeliner. I'm using the Sephora Intense Ink Liner. And going to start doodling around my eyes. I think it looks pretty cool going down into my tattoo, but I feel like even if you don't have this tattoo or a chest tattoo, it would still look cool dripping down if you continued it going down into your shirt or whatever, you know? This eyeliner I'm using is running out as we speak. Okay, I have more on the same one. So I'm gonna continue. Do a few like stitches through the neck. Now I'm going to take Mayron Hair White and I'm going to add it to my eyelashes and maybe my eyebrows too. Now that I have that, I'm going to use a white powder and just kind of pale out my face a bit more. Now I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow and just kind of shadow everything out. now that I have that, I'm gonna go back in with black liner and just kind of touch up a few areas. Okay, gonna pop in some fun contacts now, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's the final look. I put my contacts in. I put one white and one yellow greenish and changed into something a bit more spooky. So yeah, that is all for this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!